Introducing LED lighting from Bosch, revealing all and saving you money.
Do you want a fridge with energy-efficient lighting that gets rid of dark corners and lasts as long as the appliance? That's what I get with my Bosch. Its LED is efficiently placed to provide the whole interior from top to bottom with even glare-free light. Plus, the lamp uses less electricity, so you can save money on your bill year in, year out.
LED lighting from Bosch, even, glare-free and low energy. Introducing MultiAirFlow system from Bosch, keeping your food fresher from top to bottom.
Would you love your fridge to automatically keep your food fresher for longer wherever you store it inside? That's what I get with my Bosch. Its multi-airflow cooling system boosts air circulation throughout, so temperature and humidity levels, the most important factors in preserving food, stay even from top to bottom and from minute to minute. Plus, there's less condensation too.
Multi-airflow system from Bosch. More freshness through better circulation. Introducing NoFrost from Bosch, removing the hassle of defrosting.
Wouldn't you love it if you never needed to defrost your freezer again? Think of all the time and effort you'd save. That's exactly the convenience I enjoy with my Bosch. Its NoFrost technology and intelligent electronics prevent the buildup of ice inside, making manual defrosting a thing of the past. Plus, no ice means less energy is used to keep the right internal temperature, so I save on my electricity bill too.
NoFrost from Bosch, saving you time, effort and energy costs. Introducing SuperFreeze from Bosch, fast freezing to stop food defrosting.
Would you love your freezer's temperature to stay more constant so the food inside remains frozen and retains all its flavour? That's exactly the convenience I enjoy with my Bosch. Loading a freezer with new items from the shops lets in warm air, which can affect food already stored there. So, before going shopping, I activate the SuperFreeze feature. This rapidly drops the temperature, keeping the contents insulated against the introduction of any warm air later. It also ensures the new food I add in freezes quickly. If I forget to set it before I go out, I can also use SuperFreeze to make a positive difference while I'm loading items in.
SuperFreeze from Bosch, dropping the temperature fast to better preserve your food and its flavour.